problem we have
Hi, friends.
is on the Ford Transit, there's water going into the engine bay, like here. You can see water dripping. You can see the water in here and in here. And that happened it was raining like 2 days ago, and this is still wet. When I was raining, I was able to discover that the water was dripping from right here. It was going in here because this is right at the bottom of the tray. So water leaks in from here. You can see there's a huge gap. So the water would come in from the tray right here, and it would end up dripping right here and right here from the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put some silicone in this gap here.
Thank you very much.
It doesn't move. So first I tried to remove the arm. I've taken out the bolt, but it's not an easy thing to do. When pulling it out, it's not going to pull out, so I have to pry it out. So in this case, I'm not going to do that. I think I will try just to push the silicone without removing the arm, and that's what we're going to do next. I'm going to use some air spray to make sure there's nothing left in the gap. Seems to be clearing it up. The idea is to use this syringe, fill it in with silicone, and then just spray it in here like this. I think, yeah, it seems like this will go in. Just spray it in. I should fill in the gap. Spray slowly so it has a chance to go in. Okay. So from here looks good. Okay.
Does it leak from here too?
No, because the tray is down here. The water has to come up here to leak. The tray is down at the bottom. Alright, so we used about probably 4 to 6 millimeters of silicone, and the silicone is just a window silicone. Max silicone, and it expands as it allows for movement. Now after 30 minutes we can test it. Ooh. Okay. So we're just gonna fill it with water. Water is covering. not dripping. Should be dripping from here. It's not. Nothing dripping. Perfect. At least that fixes this problem. So nothing is dripping here. Perfect.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll check again to see if it has any other issues.